Yeah, that's kind of a cool looking little thing there. I think I want to get that. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, that's really different. That might be kind of fun to slice open. I think I'll take that. I think I'll just cut it, kind of cut it in half. Huh. Yeah, I wish it was a little more vibrant. Kind of different. Okay. Haven't gone too far, and this looks pretty cool. It's kind of interesting. Might take that. Not sure what it is. Looks like some quartz and something. Check it out. Ooh, ah, ooh. Pretty much the same as the outside, but flat. Might make an okay pendant. I see this little piece here. I didn't throw this up here, but kind of cool. I think I could cut that in half. Make 2 pendants out of that. Okay. This, I think, will make a cool pendant. I'm going to cut it maybe in 3 pieces. Or 2. 2 or 3. Try 2. Oh, nice. Yeah. This will be cool. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Not the most colorful, but kind of a neat pattern. What's this? See that stripe, kind of stripe there? Just thinking about pendants now. I cut the end. Okay, this one I think I can make some pendants going this way. Yeah. So if I cut it off, hello. Yeah, definitely make some pendants. Just like that. Kind of cool. Okay, here's my bucket. I kind of like the shape, and I think I can cut that in half. Or even 3 pieces. Make a pendant. Yeah. Same thing. Perfect shape for a pendant. Can make a number of them. Let's see here. Yeah, just a green, nice pendant. Just cut that off. Kind of a nice size. Sweet. Well, my blade is toast. And it was a good blade. Thank you for your service. Got a brand new one here, ready to go on, but that's probably all the rocks all cut in this little session. Gonna need to put that on. I'll get on that. Sweet. Okay, I got my new blade on, so anxious to see how it cuts, and I think why not start out with this green one. It's kind of an interesting thing. It's pretty big, but I think I'm just gonna slice it, maybe make some kind of pendant here. So, let's see how this blade works. Oh, that's nice. Wow. The new blade is sweet. Man, it sure cuts nice. Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of the same thing inside. But make a couple pendants out of that. That looks pretty red. You see it in there? Oh, bigger than I thought, maybe. Yeah, I can't seem to get it out. I'm gonna have to do something. Okay, I did something. Not that big. Look at this side. What if that was sticking up? What would you think? Oh, wait a minute. What? Oh, look at that. I mean, the part it's paired with here is ugly, but nothing wrong with that red. Nice fine. This one's like, it can't decide if it wants to be red or it wants to be gray. So I'm gonna see, let's see now, a pendant. I might want like half and half. I think I'm just gonna cut it lengthwise. Maybe right there. Ah, got a little design in there. It's kind of cool. Yeah, let me cut another slice off of that. Oh, look at that. Really cool. Nice. It's just little, but cool stripe. Okay, we got this little stripe guy. Yeah, small little pendant out of those. Maybe I can even get another one, maybe. Oh, I've seen this. Looks kind of cool. It's like a granite, but it's got a couple different patterns. And I think it could be cut to be pretty cool. I mean, it just looks cool like that. Okay, this one's pretty cool the way the side's okay. But I really like that, how that stripe goes through there. And I want that in a pendant. So I think what I'm gonna do is just cut it in half this way. See where I'm at. Okay, got a little paint from the blade on there. Okay, that's kind of cool. Those are pretty big, but I'll definitely try to get that part right there into a pendant. And then this other stuff, it's pretty cool too. Sweet. I see some red there. Looks pretty good. Part of it. Let's see if it just comes right out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that bright red right there. Look at that. That's what I like. That's the red I like. Yeah, this will polish so nice when I cut it. The little quartz inclusions in there. Yeah, that's a sweet rock right there. All I can say is she looks good, she looks fine, she looks good, and I nearly lost my mind. Oh, look at that red. That's my favorite bright red there. Few drops of it. I think I am going to slice that off. Okay. Ooh. Some cool stuff in there. Kind of a little peachy color even. And I think that's quartz. Yeah, some nice red. I think I might slice this off too real quick. Ho 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 ho. Look at that. That's some nice red. Wow. Pretty sweet. Oh yeah. Nice. Yep, definitely gonna make pendants out of this. Gotta love those reds. Oh yeah. So that's the last one of those. The creeks have been really high. The river's really full. But I'm thinking I can get out tomorrow. And so that's what I'm going to try to do. So until next time, Uncle Nudge. Thanks for watching. See you later.